Say after 3, 1, 2, 3. Nom nom nom. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. And the vacation continues and it's early morning. It has been raining cats and dogs all morning, all night, but it's just about to ease up. The sky is clearing up and it's looking a little bit like the sun is ready to peek out the skies. So it should be a good day. I'm seeing a little bit of blue sky here and there over the mountains. Where I'm staying is such a beautiful view over the mountain. Let me just show you guys what the view is like from where I am. You just seen over the mountain beautifully. And there's just a little bit of blue skies ready to peek out right here. And you can see the sun is peeking up over there. So yeah. I am in the kitchen actually making some breakfast, and in true Jamaican fashion I'm making some what are you doing here? Somebody loves me, I guess. In true Jamaican style, I am making some green fry press planting. So this is step 1, frying the planting, and step 2 is happening where I already pressed them and refrying them. So I'm actually making some breakfast for the family. It's the weekend, so everybody is basically just chilling. Well, my brother-in-law is off to work already. Sister and Tyler and Kaylin is somewhere upstairs. So yeah, I'm just making breakfast so everybody can have something to eat. I should be seeing one of my high school friends today. Call her this morning, and she's a little bit in the country. Well, she is in the country. She's actually in Montego Bay. So she should be taking the bus up from Montego Bay to see me today, which is super awesome. So I'm looking forward to seeing her in a few hours. So yeah, that's what's up today. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. We're having so much fun on our vacation. We have a little over a week to go. So we have 1 week and some days to do all the final catching up and see everybody else who needs to see and do all the things that we have to do. But it should be a good week. So we're on our way to meet up with a few friends. I think we're gonna have lunch and just hang out for the rest of the day and see some more people. We actually made a stop at my sister's office. Tyler is gone with her inside, so babe and I just here in the car chilling.
Hi guys, so today we're going to meet friends in Kingston. Let's see which part of Kingston we can bring you with us. Yeah, that can be interesting.
Oh, they're coming and it's raining. You're getting wet up. Come. You got wet with Tata? You got wet? You got wet? Tata ran with you? Say hello. You got wet with Tata time?
Auntie Harriet ran doing.
So you must have.
Tyler, say hello. Say Coco. No, sit.
Hi. Hi.
Say good morning.
In my eyes.
What's in your eyes?
The rain.
Okay.
Stop doing.
Hey guys, so we are heading to lunch with two gorgeous beauties, Chanel and Shanika. This girl right here, she has been a friend of mine from high school bestie. So we're heading to lunch, and we're actually heading to Jackson Records, and that's her gorgeous sister Pretty Nardo. So we're heading to Jackson Records, and I'm sure there'll be music playing in there. I'll be able to vlog, but then I might have to mute the sounds and make sure starting the vlog from now. So we're actually heading to lunch, and Jackson Record is, I think, co-owned by Usain Bolt. It's a very yes, it's co-owned by Usain Bolt. It's a famous oh babe, I know this place. You remember Tucson and Andrew who came here for dinner? To a Chinese place somewhere here. I think it's no, not the Express. I think it's here. I think it's this one. No, I think it's this one. This one, yeah. Or this first one here.
I think it was the Indian place.
Some Indian place. Ria. So we're actually at the marketplace. Usain Bolt Jackson Records is a popular food stop, especially for foreigners. So we're heading there for lunch with the girls. So Lego. Thank you, my love. Tell us, say hey, say hello, say hello. Look, kisses, mwah, mwah, mwah. Good boy. Give mama a high five. High five. And I'm having jerk chicken spring roll. Baby's having jerk pork jerk pork festival, sweet potatoes, fried plantain. Shanice is having
creamy Alfredo with shrimps and bread.
Yeah. And Shanika is having a jerk chicken platter with sweet potato, so it's about to go down.
Jerk chicken or jerk pork?
Jerk chicken and jerk pork.
The jerk platter.
Jerk platter.
And Tyler is having fries.
Everybody's food.
Everybody's food.
Alright, I'm good.
The tuition. Come, everybody say nom nom nom.
Nom nom nom.
Say it. Say it. On the tree. 1, 2, 3. Nom nom nom. Dessert time.
That's a big slice.
Huge slice.
No, this is fine. You see, if we had taken the Guinness one now, then I'm pretty sure it would have been good.
Baby, ready to dig in? Yeah. Oh, man, you guys. It's been a crazy afternoon. We left Jackson Record, and it was raining cats and dogs like crazy in Half a Tree, and in Spanish Town it was just raining non-stopping. So our friend dropped us home, and we were by my sister-in-law's excuse me, we were by my sister in-laws, and just catching up and chit-chatting and eating snacks and just hanging out for the afternoon while it just continued to rain non-stopping. And when it just eased a little bit, we jump in the car and managed to get home. So we've been home just watching the world relays, because today's world relays, of course, you guys know, once it's track and field, we have to be on it. So my friends competed, they did really well. We got the gold medal in the 4x2. So congratulations, Elaine and team, you guys did awesome. So yeah, it was good seeing my high school bestie today. That was good, and we had a good time having lunch at Usain Bolt Tracks and Record. Normally tourists who is in the Kingston area, Usain Bolt Tracks and Record is a famous food spot to stop for tourists. Some people just goes there just to take picture because of Usain Bolt. So yeah, that's where we went to have lunch, and it was really good. It's not my first time going there, but it's always good going back. Yeah, so lunch was good. Got to spend time with some friends. Now we're home and everybody else is sleeping except me. The boys are sleeping, sister's sleeping. So I'm just coming on to end the vlog and to tell you guys, thank you guys for always watching. Thank you guys for all the support. We love you guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, and when you subscribe, go ahead and click that bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will know exactly the moment when we upload, so you won't miss out on any video that we are uploading. Vacation is still in full swing. We still have a week to go, and we will continue to enjoy. We have a few more activities coming up that we need to do within this final week, and we're just going to go ahead and enjoy those and share the moments with you guys. We love you guys. Thank you guys for always watching. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.